I want clarity with a manufacturer that specializes on German parts, specifically for BMWs. Let's dive in to what sound system I am recommending to all of you. So we are at Bavsound.com. Let's start off and get started with choosing the right sound for your car. So right off the bat, you're gonna obviously go, I'm new here, so build your kit, right? We are going to go to your vehicle, obviously BMW, but they also have options for Mini and Toyota, the Supra, which is pretty dope, right? So we're gonna choose 2016 3 Series, because I have a 3 Series and it's a sedan. And we're gonna go next. Next, here's a pretty cool thing, and if you're still unsure, I would actually do some research or just give them a call and find out, based off your VIN number, which system you have. Right? You have bass, hi-fi, or Harman and Kardon. Now, my car, the F30 I have, it is hi-fi standard. So we're gonna choose high fidelity and go next. Select your kit that best fits you. So here we go. What I am ordering for my car and what Bavsound sent over to me is the Stage 1 BMW speaker upgrade and also the Bavsound Ghost BMW underseat subwoofer. So yeah, I got these 2 items. I didn't get the amplifier just yet. I might want it in the future. I want to see how much bass and like just clarity and punchiness I get from these 2 items itself. I mean, I'm getting the full woofer and tweeter system along with subwoofers that go under my seats. So I'm gonna add both of these items to the cart and go next. Next, I do need this underseat subwoofer toolkit because you can buy it on Amazon, but you don't want to get the wrong tool. So I recommend going with what they recommend and just throw it in, add it to the cart. So I think I'm good. So now I'm gonna go next. And here you go. So this is what's in my cart right now. Some decals, the subwoofer toolkit, the woofers, the Ghost subwoofers, and the Stage 1 BMW speaker upgrade. I'm excited, guys. This is gonna be a game changer on my vehicle. And guys, I'm telling you, I'm not into that whole like crazy bass type of sound, especially on a BMW. I think BMWs are classy, they're dope, and they should be treated like that. So I could have chosen JBL, Kicker, Sony, Explods, I mean, you name it, but I wasn't going for that type of sound. I want clarity with a manufacturer that specializes on German parts, specifically for BMWs. So guys, hit them up. There's more videos coming up soon. So especially with Bavsound and what they sent me, I am excited and I am stoked. So guys, I'll catch you in the next video.